Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will give a short intro on electric vehicle dynamics. Well, if you want to purchase this file, then I will add link in description below. You can go and purchase this model. Well, let me explain about this model. Here you can see there are various subsystem on driver, power controller, battery pack, SOC, motor and gear system and vehicle dynamics. Well, the aim of this model is to analyze electric vehicle dynamically. Let me explain about this model in deep. Here you can see the user will have three options. Okay, user can connect three input signals. Okay, he will have three options. The first one, here you can see the drive cycle source 2. If the user connect this to the input signal, then he will get a varying speed. Okay, the acceleration will be varying. And let me explain about this second source. In this second source, the acceleration will be at the beginning for few seconds, and for third source the acceleration will be constant. Here you can see the speed will be constant 45 kilometer per hour for 100 kilometer. Okay, this is constant. Let me run this model and I will also share with you input speed waveform, and you can see your SOC value in this display. And the battery pack voltage is 60 volt and rated capacity is 630 Ah. Well, here you can see to travel distance of 6.39 kilometer, the total energy is required is 9%. Now the value is 91.66. Okay, the initial value was 100%. Sorry, the initial SOC value was 100%. Now it is 91.66. Okay, to travel distance of 6.32 kilometer, total SOC total charge required is, that is 9%. Let me run this model. First I will connect the source 1 to the input speed, and I will also share with you input speed waveforms. You can see SOC value in this display and distance traveled value in this display. Now you can see SOC is decreasing. Initial SOC was 100%. Now it is 92 point. Now it is 91. Okay. To travel distance of 6.32 kilometer, 9% SOC is required. Let me share input speed waveform. Wait guys, it will take few seconds to load. Actually, I am using Matlab online, so it will take a few seconds. Well, guys, here you can see the waveform. Okay, input speed waveform. Well, here you can see the input speed waveform. Okay, now I will close this. Let me connect the source to. Okay, now I will connect this one. Okay, well, in this source the acceleration will be for few seconds. Okay, let me run this model, and you can see here SOC value and distance traveled value in this displays. Well, here you can see the SOC value is 99.45 and distance traveled is 0.4 kilometer. Let me share input speed waveform with you. Well guys, here you can see the input speed waveform. Okay, the acceleration will be for few seconds, and after that there will be no acceleration. And here you can analyze the vehicle dynamics. Okay, now I will connect source 3. For source 3 you can see the speed will be constant. Okay, 45 kilometer per hour for 100 kilometer. Let me connect source 3. Okay, as input. Well, if you are looking for any good idea for mini project or major project, you can select this uh, model for your project. Now you can see the SOC is 95 and the distance traveled is 7.42 kilometer and the SOC is 91.67. Let me share input speed waveform with you. Here you can see the speed is constant. Okay, input speed is constant after few seconds. This is how you can analyze electric vehicle by creating this type of design. Well, and here you can see the SOC value is 91.67 for okay, it took around 9% to travel distance of 7.42 kilometer, and the battery pack voltage is 60. Let me open this battery pack. Okay, I will share with you voltage, nominal voltage value and rated capacity value. And guys, if you want to purchase this model, then I will add link in description below. You can go and purchase. It will take hardly few seconds to purchase and download this file. Well, here you can see battery. It is a lithium ion battery. And let me share a nominal voltage value, that is 60. Rated capacity is 630 Ah. And the initial state of charge is 100%. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to purchase this file, then I will add link in description below. You can go and purchase this file. Okay, bye.